Alright people, let's talk about two of the hottest phones on the market, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the OnePlus 12. These are the heavy hitters, the top dogs, the phones that push the limits of what's possible. This isn't just a review, it's a full-on showdown. We're diving deep into the specs, the performance, the cameras, the battery life, and the overall user experience. Which phone comes out on top? Stick around to find out. We're not just gonna list features, we're gonna talk about what those features mean for you, the user. We're gonna break down the strengths and weaknesses, the pros and cons, so you can make an informed decision. Because at the end of the day, the best phone isn't the one with the flashiest specs, it's the one that best fits your needs. So, whether you're a power user who demands the absolute best, a photography enthusiast who lives for that perfect shot, or someone who just wants a phone that lasts all day, we've got you covered. This is your ultimate guide to choosing between the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the OnePlus 12. Let's get started. First up, let's peek under the hood and see what makes these phones tick. The Galaxy S24 Ultra packs the latest Snapdragon processor, Qualcomm's most powerful chip yet. It screams through everyday tasks, handles demanding games without breaking a sweat, and makes multitasking a breeze. You won't find any lag here, folks. The OnePlus 12, on the other hand, comes equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 9300. It's no slouch, delivering impressive performance that's right up there with Qualcomm's best. Both phones offer a range of RAM and storage options, so you can choose the configuration that best suits your needs. The Galaxy S24 Ultra goes all out with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and a whopping 1 terabyte of storage. The OnePlus 12 offers up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. No matter which phone you choose, you're getting a powerhouse that can handle anything you throw at it. But here's the thing, while both phones deliver exceptional performance, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's Snapdragon chip has a slight edge in raw power and efficiency. This translates to smoother gaming, faster app loading, and potentially longer battery life. The difference isn't night and day, but it's noticeable if you push these phones to their limits. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite feature, the camera. The Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a versatile camera system with a 200MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and not one, but two telephoto lenses for incredible zoom capabilities. It captures stunning photos with incredible detail, vibrant colors, and impressive dynamic range. The dual telephoto lenses allow you to zoom in close without sacrificing image quality, making it a dream for capturing distant subjects. The OnePlus 12 doesn't disappoint either. Its triple camera system features a 50MP main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 32MP telephoto lens. It delivers excellent image quality with sharp details, accurate colors, and impressive low-light performance. The OnePlus 12's Hasselblad collaboration brings a unique color science to the table, resulting in photos with a distinct and pleasing aesthetic. Both phones excel at video recording, offering 8K resolution at various frame rates, along with advanced stabilization features for smooth and cinematic footage. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, however, takes the lead with its superior zoom capabilities and slightly better image processing. It's the phone to get if you're serious about mobile photography and videography. Let's face it, battery life is a big deal. Nobody wants a phone that dies on them in the middle of the day. The Galaxy S24 Ultra comes equipped with a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts all day, even with heavy use. It also supports 45W wired charging and 15W wireless charging, so you can power up quickly and get back to using your phone. The OnePlus 12 ups the ante with a slightly larger 5100 mAh battery. It also boasts blazing fast 100W wired charging, which can fully charge the phone in less than 30 minutes. Wireless charging is available too, albeit at a slower 50W. Both phones offer excellent battery life, but the OnePlus 12's faster charging speeds give it an edge if you're always on the go. It's worth noting that battery life can vary depending on your usage patterns, network conditions, and other factors. However, both the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the OnePlus 12 are designed to keep you powered up throughout the day. You can confidently leave the house without worrying about your phone dying on you. Now let's talk about the overall user experience. The Galaxy S24 Ultra runs on Samsung's One UI, which is known for its feature-rich interface, extensive customization options, and seamless integration with Samsung's ecosystem of apps and services. It's a polished and refined experience that caters to both casual users and power users alike. The OnePlus 12, on the other hand, runs on Oxygen OS, a near-stock Android experience that prioritizes speed, simplicity, and a clean aesthetic. It's known for its smooth performance, intuitive gestures, and a bloat-free interface that Android purists will appreciate. Both operating systems offer a fluid and enjoyable user experience, each with its own strengths. Ultimately, the best user experience comes down to personal preference. If you value a feature-rich interface with extensive customization options, One UI on the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the way to go. If you prefer a clean and minimalist Android experience, Oxygen OS on the OnePlus 12 is the better choice. So, which phone comes out on top? The answer, like most things in tech, is, it depends. Both the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the OnePlus 12 are exceptional phones that excel in different areas. The Galaxy S24 Ultra reigns supreme in camera capabilities, offering a versatile system with incredible zoom and image quality. It also boasts a slightly more powerful processor and a refined user experience with Samsung's feature-rich One UI. The OnePlus 12 shines with its blazing fast charging speeds, sleek design, and a near-stock Android experience that prioritizes speed and simplicity. It also offers a fantastic camera system and top-tier performance that rivals the best in the market. If you're a photography enthusiast who demands the absolute best camera, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the clear winner. If you prioritize charging speed and a clean Android experience, the OnePlus 12 is the way to go. Both phones offer exceptional performance, long-lasting battery life, and a premium user experience. Ultimately, the best phone for you is the one that best fits your needs and preferences. Consider what's most important to you and choose accordingly. No matter which phone you choose, you're getting a top-of-the-line device that will elevate your mobile experience.